Thank you very much. That was Mithali Risha, 10-year-old wonderful child on Bharat Natyam. And now, ladies and gentlemen, with a warm welcome, we would like to extend from the Girmit Divas 2014 a warm welcome to Australian Hindu Multicultural Association by welcoming Shri Sajnanand ji on highlights of Girmit. आइए जोरदार तालियों से हम इनका अभिनंदन करते हैं.
Thank you, Mr. MC, distinguished guests and ladies and gentlemen. I think the celebration will be incomplete if I don't speak in Hindi, so please forgive me. You'll be able to understand. हम उन पूर्वजों के वंशज हैं जिस देश में गंगा बहती है. है धन्य सुहागिन वो जिसने भारत को तुलसीदास दिया. अगर हुलसी ने तुलसी को जन्म नहीं दी होती तो हिंदी कहीं पड़ी होती. हमारे पूर्वज के बारे में आपने बहुत कुछ सुना. Heard a lot about our forefathers, and I'm going to let you know that my father, who is 91 years old, his son of Girmitia, is present here. He's sitting there in that small shed over there. And I would like to thank him for all the good things he has taught us. Those days, what I heard, that when our forefathers came to Fiji, they came with one pair of clothes. And the best thing they brought was the Ramayana, which is our holy book. During the day, they worked very, very hard. And in the evening, they used to sit down together and sing bhajans, which you call hymns, and the Ramayana. Those days there were no schools, and they gave the gift of education to us by teaching their children under the mango trees or fig trees. They were given a small accommodation. It's like a block of small sheds and a very common toilet with no doors. And they had the pit system. But they never gave up. उन्होंने कभी जीवन में हार नहीं मानी. They struggled, and they were tortured. A lot of them committed suicide. Some of them went back, and the rest remained in Fiji. And through their hard efforts, those days we didn't have all the bulldozers and modern technologies. All the big trees, they were dug by hand, and they were whipped. 15 hours of hard work, hard labor. But still they never gave up. They had the high hope of surviving and passing on to the children our culture, our tradition, our language, our religion. And which I am proud to say, all Fiji Indians, whether they have gone to America, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, and for example any other place, they have maintained their culture, their language, their religion, and their tradition. When the language is gone, the culture is gone. And must thank all these people. They're doing enormous sacrifice. And also acknowledge the grant we get from the government. We're teaching Hindi, and we've got our association teaching Hindi and tabla classes, dance, classical dance items, and the government gives us per capita grant to carry out for teaching Hindi. I must acknowledge, I must thank the government for giving us the grant. And I can keep on talking about it. I don't want to take a lot of time, but at the end of the day, Australia is a lucky country, is a unique country, and very rich in multiculturalism. We thank the government for the support it gives to all the organizations, and we are very, very grateful for the support we are getting, and hope to receive continued support from the state government and the federal government so that we can live in peace and harmony. Thank you for listening. Thank you. God bless.
Thank you, Mr. Sajjananand. You all know that Mr. Sajjananand has actually contributed largely in promoting Hindu culture and tradition in Australia. And my thank you to him with a big applause. Can we put our hands together for him? In the memory of our Gramatians, now we're gonna light the lamp, the diya and some candles. And we have Honourable Member for Parliament, Federal Member for Parliament, Honourable Chris Hayes. And I would request him to lead with lighting a lamp in memory of the Gramatians. He's bringing it here. We are also very privileged to have a son of a Gramatian actually, respected. He is a life member of Sanatan Sabha of Fiji, Sanatan Pratinidhi Sabha of Fiji, respected Ramdhani, who's present in front of us. I believe he's 92 years, 91. He's 91 years, and he's here with us, and I welcome him on the stage to light the diya as well, with a big applause. Can I welcome Mr. Ramdhani on the stage? We are also privileged to have a state member for Liverpool, Honourable Paul Lynch. It's his first visit to this temple, and I welcome you, Mr. Paul Lynch, and I'll ask him to light the others.
और एक छोटा सा घर था उस गांव में जो नदी के किनारे पर बसा हुआ था। कितनी प्यारी थी वो नदी, उजली, साफ, खामोश, नीले पानी वाली। हाँ, गांव तो छोटा था, पर वहां पर रहने वालों के दिल बहुत बड़े थे, क्योंकि सब ना होते हुए भी अपने थे। सब हिंदुस्तान में ही रहते थे।
I would now request Member for Legislative Council, Honourable Amanda Fezio, to light this diya.
मेरा छोटा सा आंगन भी वहीं था। हाँ, वहीं था। मेरा आंगन, मेरा आंगन, मेरा आंगन, मेरा आंगन।
I would request Ms. Sajjananand to light a candle in memory of the Gramatians.
वही आंगन जहाँ दिखती थी दुनिया किलकिलाती सी, मुझे हर सू बुलाती सी। वही आंगन जहाँ गुजरी थी मेरी चांदनी रातें, कहानी सी सजी बातें। वही आंगन जहां हम खेलते थे, दौड़ते थे, नीम के झूलों में घंटों झूलते थे। वही आंगन जहां था नीम का लंबा दरख्त अपना, बहुत ऊंचा।
I request Harish Prasad.
एक दिन बहुत बड़े हो जाएंगे, नीम से भी ऊंचे उठ जाएंगे और छू लेंगे वो नीला अंबर, तोड़ेंगे वो सब चांद सितारे जिनको दादी हर रात दिखाती है, अनमोल लोरी में सुनाती है। अब वो आंगन हम छोड़ आए हैं, बहुत दूर, बहुत दूर।
Now I would request respected आदरणीय रामधनी जी, आजा जी है हमारे। He is 91 years old and he is a child, a son of a Girmitia. And Aja ji was telling me a story one day when I was sitting in a village in Dholasi in a temple, that my great grandfather, when he was a little child, my great grandfather used to carry him on his back, on his shoulders, and he was a Girmitia at the time. And I'm very proud that Ajaji is among us today. He also taught me how to read Ramayana. When I was a little boy in primary school, he was the one who taught me how to read Ramayana. So I'm very blessed that he's with us today, and I would request him to light the diya in the memory of our Girmitias. So let's put our hands together for Ajaji.
गिरमिटिया कहानी है हमारे उन बुजुर्गों की जो अपना वतन, अपना घर, अपना गांव, अपना शहर सब कुछ छोड़कर बहुत दूर आ बसे अपने नए देश के जंगलों को आबाद करने के लिए। गिरमिटिया कहानी है उन अनजान और भोले भाले लोगों की जिनको झूठ बोलकर, बहकाकर, कोरे कागजों पर दस्तखत करवाकर जानवरों की तरह जहाज पर लाद कर फिजी में भेज दिया गया। गिरमिट कहानी है हमारे उन जहाजियों की जिन्होंने एक दूसरे का जहाजी भाई बहन बनकर बेशुमार जुल्म सहे। गिरमिट ये कहानी है हमारे उन रिश्तेदारों के बलिदानों की जिनको घरों की जगह कुली लाइंस में बसाया गया। गिरमिट कहानी है उन पुरखों की जिन्होंने अपने त्याग और तपस्या से हिंदुस्तान से हजारों मील दूर आकर भी अपनी भाषा, सभ्यता, संस्कृति और मजहब को न सिर्फ कायम रखा लेकिन उसे और भी मजबूत किया। हाँ, गिरमिट कुछ ऐसी ही कहानी है। हाँ, कुछ ऐसी ही। हमारी बुनियाद इसी गिरमिट से है और हमारी ये छोटी सी कोशिश श्रद्धांजलि है उन महान लोगों के लिए जो अब यहाँ नहीं।
दोस्तों, साथियों, अगर आप हमारे गिरमिटियस के यादगारी में अगर दिया जलाना चाहते हैं, कैंडल्स जो है, कुछ कैंडल्स यहाँ रखा हुआ है, आप आकर उनकी याद में बारी बारी से जलाकर, जस्ट रिमेंबर कि आप जो कैंडल जलाने के बाद उसी ही ट्रे में रखें। हम वो मैचेस रखते हैं और अगर इनफ कैंडल्स ना हो तो वहाँ पर एक कैंडल्स की स्टॉल है। कैंडल्स आर ओनली $2 और आप मेमोरीज में हमारे गिरमिटियस के लिए वो कैंडल यहाँ पर जला सकते हैं। Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the organizing committee, I would like to thank all the distinguished guests that they have taken all the valuable and precious moment to be part of this ceremony for this event. There was a lot of other guests were invited, and we weren't biased. We also invited members from Liberal Party, but none of them actually turned up, and they never replied. Most of them never replied that they won't be coming. Apart from the Liverpool mayor who replied me on Friday afternoon saying that he cannot make it, and the reply was actually via the Facebook. So, so maybe they're too shy of the recent budget that has come out. That's why they don't want to face the public. But I thank the Labour Party and the members for Labour Party for taking your time and coming here. Yeah, sure. And before we will leave, I'd say Amanda to say a few words.
Thanks very much. In my school years, I had Fijian Indian friends, and then when I was working, I also worked with some Fijian Indians, but I didn't really understand a lot about the indentured labour system. After Fashion invited me to this event, I did some research, and I was quite surprised and shocked by what I found. But what I did do was, in the Legislative Council on the 13th of May, I did a speech outlining that the 14th of May was the 135th anniversary of the arrival of the first 463 indentured Indian labourers to Fiji, which gave a summary and a history of what has happened. So that now is available on the public record in the Hansard of the New South Wales Parliament. And I concluded that speech by thanking the Fijian Indian community for the wonderful contribution that they've made here in New South Wales. And I'd like to extend that thanks to you personally tonight. Thank you.
Thank you, Member for Legislative Council, Honourable Aminda Fazio. And ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the rest of the evening with the fantastic entertainments. And there's a St. George coffee van there, and the coffee is free. So feel free to help yourself. The St. George Bank has been proud enough to support this cold evening and provide you free coffee. So the van's going to be there till 9 o'clock, so make the most out of it. Thank you.